Hey everybody, it's AJ, and I have here She Be Tight by, I'm assuming, you get it up there, Thumper and Average Picker. I'm guessing that's what that means. There is the key. And we're going to see if I can get into this thing. I know. Awkward and uncomfortable position. I just don't know if I'm ever going to get this thing picked here. Shit. Just had a nice fall set going and I lost it. Oh, it's open. Holy crap. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I just touched number 3 and it just slid right open. Awesome. Let's get this down here. Strap that down there like that maybe. Sweet. Like I said, I just touched number 3 and that thing just slid right on open. That was cool. Let's get it that way. Should I zoom this up and just gonna foul shit up or anything. Maybe that's a little bit better, huh? If I can open this way, I don't know. Okay, we have a key, so we're going to lock it back up. Whoops. I just broke them. Well, we're just going to go old school on this shit. I think. Maybe. There it goes. That seems to work better than anything. Okay, I have a shim sitting in front of me. There it is. And a follower. If that's the right size. And our key. Okay. Now, that looks too big. So let's go with this one, I think. Okay. Got pin number 1. I'm going to put a mark on that as soon as I find my Sharpie. This is not my Sharpie. Alright, hold on. Nobody move. I got to reach way down here. Okay. I just want to mark that so I don't get confused later. Alright, pin number 1 is trying to come out on us, so we're going to take these out first. Whoops. That is a little baby T-pin. Steel spring. Oh, there. That's a nice little spoolie. A steel spring. It's a nice little, I like to call them barbells, I guess. Again with a steel spring. Whoops, there it is. That's a spool. Nice little tiny spoolie. Get that spring out of there. Come on now. Hung up a little bit. There it goes. Steel spring. Whoops. There it goes. Nice little T-pin. Actually, it's, I don't know, some people call that a wedding cake, I guess. We'll get a little closer look on that in a minute here. And, whoops. And a steel spring there. Assuming nothing is done in the core. Now let's check out our key pins. Oh, this is really difficult reaching around like this. Key pin 1 has got a nice little spool on it. 2 is standard. 3 is standard. 4 is standard. 5 is standard. 6 is standard. I'm kind of surprised. And nothing has been done in the core. Either way, let's get you a close up of these pins here. Whoops, that's too close. All the key pins are standard except number 1, which is like the little bomb that we got there. Driver 1 has got this nice deep cut. Driver 2 has got a ridge in the center here. I call these like a barbell type thing. Whoops. And this double spool, I guess you'd call that. And number 5. That's almost hard to see. It's too close now. Kind of like a wedding cake, I guess. I heard some people use that term. And number 3 is just a nice little done spool. Okay, everybody, that is. If anybody knows if that is a collaboration lock from Thumper and Average Picker, let me know. I'm just curious. Credit should go where credit is due, in my words. But that is, she be tight. So everybody, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful. There is a huge difference. Everybody should know that. And there we go. Forgot what I was saying. Anyway, have a great one. Thanks for watching. And see you later.